Even now, everyone who is educated must have a laptop or a PC. Some people use it for their work, while others prefer to use it for personal purposes or to store photos, videos, and other information when needed. However, some people do not know what applications should be on a laptop or PC. Yes, every Windows user can get a better experience while using a laptop or PC by using some of these free applications. Especially when you make a new purchase, you usually see options like Calculator, Clock, MS Paint, and Microsoft Web Store. However, the app we are going to share here is useless if you don't have it on your laptop. So, let's know which apps are free and essential. Audacity, this app is still very useful. It can be used to record and manipulate audio files, in which it is useful for creating original audio compositions by recording and layering audio tracks. That means any audio can be easily edited however you want. Zoom, nowadays the use of Zoom app is very high, in which users can get video communication service. Zoom is extremely beneficial in today's virtual world. It also enables users to have online meetings with real-time audio and video. Google Earth Pro, the Global Positioning System, GPS, was previously developed by the United States Department of Defense for military use. But, it has also reached common people. Earlier services like MapQuest allowed users to plug in their starting point and their destination. Now standalone GPS works on all devices and provides users with their own service. Lively Wallpaper, you can make your PC or laptop more entertaining with this application. It allows you to test a simplified version of the software's user interface before downloading it. It offers activity effects like background image, rain or motion, allows content control like intensity, size and speed of movement, brightness, zoom, blur and more. Duolingo is the brainchild of inventor and Carnegie Mellon professor Louis Vaughan On. It is a language learning software that serves itself by using conversational language and gamifying the entire experience. Through this, children's physical knowledge can be increased. PhoneLink, like Apple's connected ecosystem of devices, PhoneLink allows you to connect your Windows computer with a compatible Android phone. Open a browser and visit www.aka.ms/yourpc to get a link to the Windows app. Some devices already have it inbuilt, like the Surface Duo and some Samsung or Honor phones. Avira, if you are at risk of constant attacks from viruses and malware, then this security software will be an important weapon to fight against it. Using a new computer without this app is like driving a new car without insurance. Give this app first priority when buying a new laptop, which is now mandatory.